Alright, mic check, mic check, mic check. Good morning. Alright, first thing first. High time frame. I don't just go off of the thing anymore. First things first, high time frame. I'll just use it, I guess. I like how it's saying below that. Above that minute, volume balance. So right now, guys, my draw is equal highs. The only thing obviously that just like I guess kind of bothered me is it's that ES already took out all time highs. So it's like an SMT in the higher time frame. And to me, that's not a confidence type of thing. But if we do manage to stay above this all time highs, ICT says that we usually like gathering more orders around all time highs to go higher. So, like I said, yeah, but overall, I am bullish stuff for Nasdaq. I do want to see all-time highs as well. So, I just gotta be careful. We did take out previous day highs. You can take a look. That's also something I just don't like, usually buying above previous day highs. Cause, yeah, I wish we would have, well, left it intact and then just calculated, took out sell stops and then gone higher, but we're gonna see, we're gonna see. So we just tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap. Today ACPI, by the way, always check your calendar. So we already have CPI, so we expect movement today. Okay. I don't want to take anything just yet. So we are reacting from that. Again, if you feel confident, like go for it. We do have SMTs again. I repeat with a 5-minute SMT. So if you really feel like, you know, like this is more than enough for you guys without seeing no really, the reason why I don't really trust this leg as much is for two reasons, guys. We didn't take out no sell side. You see right here? Look at these equal lows. We didn't take this out. If this leg would have taken it out and then got higher, yes, I would feel much more confident taking this trade because we now created manipulation. However, we didn't. Not even for this. Like it's minor. Like for me, I'd rather just go for. I'd rather go for Asian lows. So yeah, I'd rather just go lower. I am overall bullish. Don't get me wrong, but I'm not gonna go with a lot of risk today because I do expect a lot of movement in a way. So I'd rather just wait. I'm gonna write it down. We're above 930 now. Let me pin this real quick. Again, I'd rather not go high right now. Like, if you could take out some sell stops or something convincing, like, I don't trust this fair value as much. We did have a 30-minute order block. I just don't trust it though. If I'm being honest, guys. If I'm being honest. I kind of will be more potentially looking for longs. lower. It's not formed yet. Uh, again, I would really want to reject the lower quadrant, really. Show me bearishness. Again, this would have been better if this leg would have done something more. Even if it would have taken out this, like I don't demand Asia as much, but like at least minimum like pre-market. You know what I mean? So again, I'm gonna mark this on the higher time. I definitely don't want to see closures for sure. I would be enticed to looking for I don't trust it as much. I would want to see a SMT form here and then start reversing for lower potentially. Again, I would want to go for data low and H lows, and even this low. So if I could get some nice SMTs on top, aka we rejecting these higher time frames, I wouldn't be too. I wouldn't be too prone to. Okay, let me just write this down. Hold up. SMT lows. So it looks like we about to take all time highs again if we do. If we don't, then even better. What time is this? 9:43. Again, I'm not looking for long. Like I am overall bullish, but if like I get a nice short setup, like I would ideally prefer that. I'm gonna put a comment here. Yes, looks like to be the bearish one. Ironically, as we fucking continue to go higher above all time highs. Interesting. I would want to see this tap into midnight as well. Like I'm gonna take a lot of my position off here. ASCPI low. Oh, I didn't take it out. That's crazy. I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like this. I definitely don't feel comfortable with this. Okay, so no more SMTs. Nice, which is good. If we could like if this and that, if we sweep this and then go higher, even better for me. Because overall we're bullish and thinking. However, we take this. We try to take one of these or whatever the reasoning is. We take a high buy target one more time and then go lower. Then I would target CPI low, Asian low, whatever. Okay, so if this and that. I'm not gonna put it too much. It's not really as significant to me right now. So yeah, I'm going for CPI data low. I want to see how we close here. I do think we could go lower and sweep this out as well. Uh, Again, I would really want to see a sweep and eventing at most, but we'll see. Nice tap back into it. Hmm. I don't like it as much right now, but I'm gonna be very patient here, guys. Very, 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 very patient here. Very, very patient. I want to see a change of state. If I could see a closure, like I would like to get involved in shorts, and I would like to go for Asia low. Asia low. I'm not gonna go with heavy race as much as well. It doesn't make sense to do that. What I'm gonna look for is though is SPX. Oh, we don't really have much of a gap. Interesting. I just don't like these relative equal highs that much. I'm gonna wait till 10 either ways. Because what can we do at 10? We could probably sweep this and then go lower. Or if we show displacement, then I'll just get involved. I don't need it. I'm seeing this as a failure to. I'll wait. And I would probably want to target this too. Like I gotta be very careful though. Very careful. I'll be very, very careful here. Nice rejection of the new week opening gap. These two things, guys. So I kind of low-key wanted. Oh shit! I didn't even see this. Want to get the low of the week, but I kind of wanted to see consolidate. Yeah, I'm wait. There's no point trying to get in right now. There really is no point for me. Okay. Yeah, I would definitely want to retrace back into here. We're finna to close it, so I definitely want to see this sweep. So yeah, I'm looking for something like this, guys. Or to take out this into equilibrium, into an imbalance, and then why? Yeah, but I'll see. I'll see which one I feel more comfortable with. You see how it felt to close it? It's making me think we're most likely gonna pull back. I'm gonna wait to 10. I can wanna go with 2. how much tick is it? Hold on. If it closes this, right, and then thingy, then that is a lot. We did change the state of delivery here already. We did just get to the 50-minute, so I'm curious here what it's gonna do. Sure, it's a little weird for me right now. That's the thing. So again, I see how this is failing. If we could have some nice like displacement below. We do have a 5-minute order block for thingy now. Nice. Okay. Technically, ES is the weaker one now. Ironically. I don't like this waking so far. We did just take our CPI low, by the way. Oh no, we didn't. Okay, so we close it. I gotta be very careful, guys. Like, cause this could still hold, and we could still go higher. Remember I told you guys if we could see a sweep and then go high, that'd be ideal. But there's a busy here. I gotta be very careful. Oh yeah. We're in Mexico. My bad, bro. Hold on, hold on. I'm just fucking thinking, dude. I'm just really locked in right now. Puebla, Brody. The big P. Cool. Yeah. What's up, J Trader? What's up, my guy? Yeah, I'm Puebla. I don't know if you still here, dude. I'm sorry. The thing is, I try not like. I'm gonna sound like a little like little. I don't think it's stuck up. Just a little focused on our price because I used to do this. Well, where I would read chat and I'm just more focused about becoming a YouTuber or whatever the case is, or just reading chat in general. And then I just mislead price. My bad, Roddy. But yeah, Mexico. If you're still here, my bad, dude. All right. But yeah, I don't know if you're still here, but I apologize. So we are rejected. The thing is, I like the M5 only for continuation patterns. So the M5 will usually be a nice pattern to trade from, like for continuations. And I like for versions two, but that's when I'm like very very, like. Let me just shut up. I gotta be careful, you guys. Point it right now, I'm just looking for a reason to go lower. We still don't have a 5 minute change of state. Like we don't have anything right now. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. The 15 is a really good like market structure change for sure. Like for me to like feel really confident, like or like the 5 minute for me, it's like okay, we're getting good nice high probability reversal. The M15 is for like for sure. For example, like you say we're trying to go high, right? Like this is really like in order for me to have an IMAX structure shift or change same delivery, I would want to see the M15 change structure first. The M5 is early on, like somewhere here, but yeah, I don't know how to explain it. Like I kind of it's like just intuition at this point, like knowing when the 5 minutes more like it's just structure too. I like this rejection. I'll see what SPX is doing. Okay, so SPX definitely had a change in structure already. Where's midnight? I'm gonna take this off. Should I? Should not? Should I not? Should not? Uh, I'm thinking right now, buddy. Oh yeah, a minute right here. I don't like this. Yeah, we better close. I gotta be careful. The thing right now for me though is right, like if I don't have like Yeah, we do have an hour change of state now. Okay. Nice. Okay. I might check ES, Brody. We just took a TPLO, by the way. But I do anticipate lower. Hold up. I'm thinking right now. Hold up. I'm thinking right now. Hold up. Oh shit. Ooh. I'm away. I'm away. We do finally have a 15-minute inversion, which is good for me. So now I'm definitely more leaning, more bullish than bearish. I'll take this away. I don't need this no more. Bruh. How do you copy this? Oh yeah. I want to have the chat opened up, but I don't think it's browser. I forgot what it was. Was it browser? No, it wasn't browser. I forgot what it was. I don't know. I give up. I'll remember it later to fix it. Yeah, we took our Asia lows. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Well, no answer for me, guys. Bro, what the You never take it out. Well, here we do. Finally, we got change of state. The reason for me disappointed because this. That's what I'm saying. The 5 is really good for a reversal point. However, it's like it's just you just gotta be very confident with it. Might look for longs here, but I gotta be careful though. $10.06. Again, we took this out. The reason why I said, like I said, I want to see this 50% was because of this. Like, from here to here, we're still not at equilibrium. We did take it out though, but I would want to see us tap into this. And maybe I'll go for long. That's so funny. If it's still holding. That's a 1 hour. I'm stupid. Stupido. Even then, it's still holding too. I'm feeling to go below thing as well. I mean, you would have to play it very fucking aggressive if you were gonna do that. You would have to take off a lot of it off at equilibrium. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this. You could take it. We do have to go to break even really quickly. This new week opening episode's on the way. I don't like it. I would really want to see this close above it. Just to continue higher. But even then, it's Tuesday. Like, I don't expect that right now. I would low-key argue lower, but the thing is we just took out easy, and I mean easy liquidity levels right here. I'll wait. I would wait till, like, so what are we waiting for? So now that you're kind of thinking, well, what can you go for as plan B? I want to see if you could go up here. So something like this, and then go lower. Then I'll feel confident. I'm not switching bullish yet. In other words, I'm not switching bullish yet. I don't like this right now, really. I don't. Someone might be taking this. I'm not taking that. I just don't like it. I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. I do like that we left this equal highs at the 1 hour. Well, I think it was from Q. We are bumping into a busy. I am aware of that too, guys. I am aware of that. But it's just like the markets, both of them are not really too thinking right now. Forgiving right now. I don't want to go high right now, guys. Not today. Thinking from a market profile, right? Like, even if we're gonna be bullish for Nasdaq, right? Think about this logically. What is the market profile for weekly candle? Monday usually accumulation, Tuesday manipulation, and then Wednesday either Wednesday and Thursday continuation, right, or expansion phase. The problem with this, bro, like if I just don't know, bro. It just doesn't make sense for me to look long today for the ideal reason that it's Tuesday, you know. And even if we were, right, we're not even in equilibrium yet, so it's not looking even at least bare criteria for me to look for long as this busy. Minimum, minimum, minimum. Technically there. Technically we already are in it. I just realized that. Shit. But still, we're not in equilibrium of the price range, so still gonna. I want to see lower, guys. Lower for sure. A little bit, just a little bit more. We better close it. Yeah, I don't trust it. I don't. I'd rather just wait for this. Like you could take the long. You could feel risky. Take this long, right? And then look for shorts again. So you could take this long up to here, and then look for shorts again. I'm just not bearish right now. Bullish, sorry. Two minutes. Again, I'd rather go for this busy. So again, I'd rather just wait. Nice, okay. Let me go when again. Hold up. We're not tapping into OTE. We still need much lower, in my opinion, for NQ. Now we gotta change the state here. The order block, and then boom, boom. That's why it was a good short, right? It was ideally it was a fucking really good short. Like logically speaking, with the day of the week and all that. But the problem is, you would have to like. I'm not a 50-minute share. Like for me, like this was an easy nice. Like if I could have gone somewhere nicely here, too short would have been nicey. But now it just like doesn't make sense to me. And just look at all this move. Even then, you're not even a 1-to-1 hour yet. You would have to be a 1-to-1 hour somewhere here. So you would need to have like higher targets. This is a M15 on field right here. So that would be a really good target, but it just doesn't make sense anymore to me. This because the thing is, NQ had an also not thingy at the same time. It hadn't inversed it. Yeah, we better close this. I really doubt we're gonna hold it. I would trade the retracement. Even if it's not gonna go pie today, like I want to see Asian level taking here, guys. I want to see Asian level taking, guys. So even if it doesn't go up to here today, guys, I would just trade like that 1-to-1, like quick, easy liquidity level that I see. You know, like for me, all this is just building up its liquidity, guys. The way it's going up so slowly, it's building up liquidity. All these lows right here. The only problem with that is I would just have to like wait for what? For high time and confirmation. I do see this. So far we do have empty here. And I would just retrace like the equilibrium of the price lag really if we don't take it out. We should take it ideally. It just makes sense. We don't. I don't want to. It doesn't make sense to reverse from here. you know, just doesn't. So GG's. I mean, we played the right buy. It just didn't play out. This freaking F15 was annoying for me. Asian lows have now been taken out. Where the hell is this sound coming from? Oh. Excuse me. Yeah, now I would be induced to looking for longs, right? I would, but I just gotta wait for logical levels to get hit. 9:30. Like I said, this would have been nice 'cause we took up really high and stuff, but the thing is, like, just the receiver wall wasn't there, in my opinion. It just wasn't there, guys. It wasn't there. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, this is actually really good, guys. It's good. It's good. This is really good. So we I just don't know what price it could go, guys. I'll be honest right now. So if we close now, we're definitely having an order block now. We would definitely have a 1 hour order block. I don't like this too much. Because now structure to me is kind of most likely is changing now. If we could avert this today, I would look for. I'll be looking for short tomorrow or throughout the week now. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. I would look. You want to see us hit this and then go higher. Like I would be in half risk or something. I'd rather just go for this now. This 15-minute on failed. I wanted to get a long from here. But I'll probably just go with the small trading thingy. Whoa, the new week happenings are different here. No, sorry, that's not limit would be somewhere here. Stop loss would be somewhere here. Wouldn't make sense to do that though. Just wouldn't. Yeah, I don't like this. Excuse me, I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like it, guys. I don't like price right now. We did just sweep it. Like I said, I wanted to sweep this. Right? Nice rejection though. Oh shit! No fucking way I got it. I'm gonna close that shit. Oh no no no. I didn't get in. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna close that shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I accidentally. There's a gambler side of me. Yeah. Mhm. I'm going to wait for this to close. Whatever. We did have a 2 minute change of structure though, which was pretty interesting. But I don't really put too much weight for these, if I'm being honest. I think I'm gonna touch it. Doesn't make sense to me. I don't know what the book I'm looking for right now. Like, I guess I'm looking for longs now, but I thought that. Fuck, it moved too quick against me. Ay, ay, ay. 'm meant to wait. I was gonna wait for the closure to get in, and my dumbass got in. That'd be crazy though. You got so much fucking liquidity. We have so much liquidity, dude. Gosh. $265.25. Yeah. I guess I'm part of the stream here. There's really nothing for me. Like, just gonna continue probably. Just gonna be very hard for me to try to get into a long because even if he inverses now, like this wick is against me right here. So we could potentially somehow right close above this and still respect this upper quadrant and go lower. So it's like it just doesn't make sense to me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I need to get in the trade. I was waiting for it to get inverse.